In this video, I'm going to show you how to get IVR or implied volatility rank on ThinkorSwim. So, IVR is an essential tool for options traders to gauge whether the current implied volatility is high, low, or average compared to the past year. So, ThinkorSwim does not provide a IVR by default, but you can display it using custom script or by checking alternative metrics like IV percentile. So as you can see in here, I'm using the ThinkorSwim guest account since the main ThinkorSwim or official ThinkorSwim does need a verification. So unfortunately, I couldn't create an account with the ThinkorSwim due to the verification. So now, assumingly this is the main interface of the official website or official application of ThinkorSwim. So if you don't want to use a script, IV percentile is available natively in ThinkorSwim and provides similar insights. So listen carefully as I explain since I couldn't show you some steps in here because I'm just using the guest account. So now, open your ThinkorSwim and then go to the trade. So this is the trade. So you can see here the option chain. And in here, select any data in here and then click this settings. And then as you can see in here, you can customize and add imp volatility percentile in here. So if the IV is high or above 50%, that means the options are expensive or good for selling strategies. While if it is low IVP below 50%, that means that options are cheap or good for buying strategies. Since ThinkorSwim does not support or does not have a built-in IVR, you need to create a script to calculate it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. That's how to get a IVR on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.